you want to trade better in 2018. You develop goals and feel ready to improve. Well, let me offer some perspective from my seat managing a trading desk here in New York City. So each year, our floor manager and I meet with all of the firm's traders to review their yearly goals. This year, we're in week 1 of this process for 2018 goals. Some best practices have arisen, common areas that need improvement have visited, and I share this video with lessons that we're being taught during these reviews with our traders to help you be more constructive about your goals for 2018. Common thought: I want to trade bigger. This is a common goal of traders in our community and at our firm. Well, what does it take to do so effectively? One of our consistently profitable traders created a wonderful template for you to emulate. First, you must identify the trading setups that you trade best. You should measure them and demonstrate outperformance in P&L for these setups. They ought to have names, these setups. You should be able to describe in detail the variables that make up these trades. And you ought to have a book of examples from 2017 trades of these setups. One trader listed his 7 best trades and then developed a risk plan to trade all of them bigger. Let's build on this idea. Next, develop a risk plan to trade your best setups bigger. How much risk do you need on these trades right now? How much do you want to increase your risk next month? What is your goal for the end of the year for risk on these trades? Map all of this out for your best trades. So what if you're a new trader? Well, then you're in the experimental stage and you should be focused mostly on trying different types of trades showing P&L edge, but you're experimenting. I want to be more consistent, another common goal traders seek. Great, so far this is just an idea written on paper. Next comes the action taken to realize your goals. How do you become more consistent? You trade your best setups more often and bigger. You decrease the frequency, risk, and losses in your lesser trades. This is an excellent area to track in daily reviews. You spend a small percentage of each day researching new sources of edge and deploying small amounts of capital until you prove edge. The most thoughtful reviews encompass a holistic plan for improvements in 2018. Sleep, workouts, health, diet, fun, relationships, family. 2018 will be defined by the daily, intensive, and effective work that you do, best practices turned into habits, that compounds. Trading, studying, and researching setups with edge best for you and the right culture for you. Have a great year. We hope that helps, and we'll talk to you soon.